Hey, what's up guys? BuddyCrafted here with Snakecraft Hosting, and today we're going to be showing you how to download and use a Minecraft world on a multiplayer server. In just a few easy steps, you and your friends will be bouncing around in no time. So let's get to it! Let's head on over to minecraftmaps.com so we can find a map that's going to work with the most current version of Minecraft. You have several choices of maps, such as adventure, minigames, lobbies, and much more. For the purpose of today's video, let's download Parkour Planets. It's a 1.16.3 map, and it's compatible with any version of Minecraft 1.16. Once you have that downloaded, it should be located in your downloads folder. From there, you'll want to extract the files. Extracting files is easy, as long as you have something like WinRAR. After extracting the file, you will need to download an application called FileZilla. FileZilla is a simple, easy-to-use FTP server client. This will enable you to easily upload and download files from your Minecraft server. Once you've downloaded FileZilla and opened it up, you will need to connect your Minecraft server through FTP. But first, you'll need to stop by the Snakecraft Hosting control panel. Each user has their own individual control panels. The control panel shows your server stats, information, and most importantly, the console. If you have more than one server in the form of a network, they will be listed in an orderly fashion right here. In order to upload a world to your server, we must first get your SFTP login information. First, copy and paste the correct address into the host section. Then, copy and paste the username into the username section. Lastly, type the password you use to register into the password section. Click Quick Connect, and now you are connected to your server. Now, to upload the server, go to the console side and open the world. Make sure to shut off your server before deleting the contents of this folder. Replace them with the files we downloaded and extracted in our downloads folder. Wait a few minutes, then boom, you uploaded your server. Before we log in, let's turn our server on. Now you can see everything worked. We're in our world, we're sitting here, we're chilling, and everything seems to be okay. This is a great time for you and your friends to buy a server, check it out, and play a bunch of fun maps with each other. Do building, the possibilities are endless. Check out our other videos, and thanks for watching.